This is Danny Gould.
And this is Kiana Gordon with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome to our exclusive virtual open house at 23795 Lynn Street.
Because of COVID, Kiana, obviously we've had to adjust, adapt, and overcome. And whereas traditionally you would have come experience this home in person via an open house, we are bringing this home to you virtually. And we're gonna be your hosts, take you through the property and guide you through it with the hopes that if you like what you see in the camera right here in the video, that you come experience this home in person. You really owe it to yourselves. It's a great property in a great neighborhood, and we really hope that you come to see it. But until then, welcome everyone to 23795 Lynn Street. All right, J-Rod, before we go in, J-Rod, why don't you show the people the outside here of the home with the it's actually really nice here. They got some nice foliage and everything in the front yard. This is a corner lot, which definitely means we have a larger than normal lot size for the neighborhood. And Kiana, why don't you take us inside?
Yeah. All right.
All right, so first things first, let's come in here. Whoops, let's turn the lights on. Oh wow, okay, let's turn these lights on. All right, uh-oh, there we go. All right, so why don't you show them the first bathroom there, J-Rod. And Kiana, why don't you start out by telling us a little bit about this property. Give us the basics.
Sure, yeah, so this home was built in 1958. It is a 3-bed, 2-bath home. 1,200 square feet of living space on a 5,280 square foot lot.
Awesome. Okay, great. J-Rod, why don't you show them this living space, really spacious living quarters. I mean, even with all this furniture here, you guys can see just how much space there really is. Kiana, I know that there's people at home probably wondering or asking, why are the sellers selling? So why are they selling?
Yeah, that's a great question, Danny. And truly the sellers just found this to be the best time in their life to move.
Awesome. Okay, cool. I'm gonna let J-Rod kind of show them the dining/kitchen combo here. Awesome. All right, J-Rod, come on in. And by the way, everyone say hi to J-Rod, the man behind the camera, looking fresh today in his Selling Silicon Valley t-shirt. And while he's showing you the second bathroom, Kiana, would you mind sharing with us a little bit more about the community? What does this neighborhood have to offer people who are thinking about buying this home?
Sure. So this home is walking distance from Sequoia Elementary School, Centennial Park and shopping centers with a Safeway. Also, you're minutes away from Southland Mall. We're also just minutes away from Cal State East Bay.
Awesome. So definitely sounds like there's a lot to do in the surrounding area, which is great. Now, one of the things that you mentioned is that it is walking distance to the elementary school, correct, Kiana?
Correct.
Awesome, yeah. And if you walk these streets, it definitely feels very friendly. So it seems to me that this is a great opportunity for a family with kids who definitely want to have their children be walking to school instead of like taking the bus or something, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Get a little bit of exercise, right, Kiana?
Always a good thing.
All right, cool. Kiana, why don't you take the people out back and show them the backyard. Honestly, this backyard, right, Kiana, it's pretty beautiful.
Oh yes. You've got an orange tree out here, as well as a loquat, which is the Japanese plum tree.
Could you imagine, Kiana, just coming out here on a Sunday morning, you pick yourself a couple oranges, you then proceed to squeeze fresh orange juice and put a little tiny bit in a glass of champagne. You got your Sunday brunch mimosas, baby, right here in the backyard without having to go to Bill's or any of the restaurants. And I'm full of great ideas.
I love it.
Look at how much space, honestly, look how much space there is back here. It really is a great place to like entertain people, right? I mean, you could definitely host a lot of people here in the backyard. Have a nice barbecue back here. Have the kids running around if you got kids. Definitely plenty of space for activities for the children if you got children, or entertaining if once you have people over and hopefully COVID ends soon so that we can go back to some sense of normalcy. But yeah, this is an amazing backyard.
Well, we hope you guys enjoy this virtual open house. If you have any questions or if you'd like to view this home in person, feel free to reach out to us with this number below. This is Kiana Gordon.
And this is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. We'll see all of you in the next video.